let's talk about something a little uncomfortable. What is the real cost of waiting to remodel your bathroom? So putting off a remodel can feel harmless. You'll see, you save some money right now until you see the bill later. So let's just talk about a few of the points there. So damage, especially in a bathroom, is not usually static. It grows. So small cracks that let water in, they create hidden damage, damage that you just can't see. So what could have been a $500 fix becomes a $5,000 repair. So there's that. The next is prices rise. So something that you could fix this year is going to cost more next year. They go up every year, and waiting almost always guarantees that you're going to pay more later. Then we have the safety issues. So we do get a lot of people coming to us after they've had an injury, after they've been through rehab, after they've had surgery, because they need something easily accessible. And that's fine. We're glad to help, and we want to help with that. But how much better would it have been, and how much money would it have saved if that safety had been taken seriously before they fell in the shower, before they broke their hip, before those type of things come into play? So the longer you wait, if you have an unsafe bathroom and safety is a concern as due to injuries or due to just age, the longer you wait, the higher your risk becomes of slips, falls, breaks. Safety is not going to wait for your budget. So the real cost of waiting on a remodel may save you a little bit in the short run, but in the long run, you're going to have more damage, higher prices, and higher risk. So waiting on a bathroom remodel is like ignoring a leaky roof. It's going to just get pricier.